Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Anthony from CompSci Studio and welcome to your 18th Java programming tutorial. So today we're going to be doing something actually pretty cool. We're going to be generating random numbers. It's a little complicated. It's kind of weird when you first look at it, but you guys will get the hang of it pretty quick. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a program where the user guesses a randomly generated number. So yeah, let's jump right into it. First thing we want to do is we're going to want to make a scanner. So to do that, scanner sc system dot in. So just like we always do, same thing, import the scanner, and we're on our way. So the next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to generate the random number. So let's make an integer, and let's call it random number. So we're going to set this random number equal to the computer's randomly generated number. So in order to generate a random number for in Java, is we have to do this. So let's go make our brackets, and then we're going to go 1 plus math dot random. Don't worry, I'm doing this really quick. I'm just going to write it down or type it out, and then I'm going to tell you guys what it all means, so don't worry about it. I'm not just going to blow right by it and be like, no, too bad. Anyway, so math.random times, let's say 5. Hit your semicolon, and as you can see, we got an error. So what I did here is, yeah, it looks pretty weird, but don't worry, it's fine. So the first thing that we did, I'm going to skip over this for a second, and I'm going to jump right into this. Basically what this means is I want to make a random number that starts at 1. So we have to put down 1. Then you have to add that to math.random. Basically, this math.random is the thing that generates our random number. And so basically it's going to say, okay, I want to generate a random number between 1 and 5. So you have to add 1 at the start and multiply by 5. I don't know why Java did that. I'm not sure. You could yell at them if you want to. But yeah, that's how they did it. I might teach you guys another way. Yeah, I'll teach you guys another way how to generate a random number in the next tutorial. There's actually probably an easier way, and I'll show you guys that. So yeah, and we have to do this bracket int bracket because we have to parse it. Yeah, it's called no, not parsing, sorry, we're casting to the value. As you can see, if you hover over this, it says possible loss of precision, required integer, found double. Basically, we have an integer variable here, and we're setting it equal to something that essentially it's created a double, and we're not allowed to have that, so we just need to cast it to int. It's a little complicated for now. I'll teach you guys that about that later, but that's pretty much how you make a random number between 1 and 5. You could change it to like 15 and like 50, but let's just keep it at 1 and 5 for our random number game. So next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to just make a prompt to the user. Please guess a number between 1 and 5. So that's just a little prompt, and let's make a while loop next. So we're gonna want to keep asking for the number. Let's put that inside our while loop. We're gonna want to keep asking for the number until our guess is equal to the randomly generated number. So let's make our int guess, and while no, we can't do that, sorry. While guess is not equal to while guess is not equal to random number. So basically we're gonna keep going. Let's set it to 0. We're gonna keep asking for input until our guess is equal to the random number. So let's just go guess is equal to sc dot next int. So basically here we're just telling the computer to get a value for the variable guess from the user. Yeah. So then once we break out of the loop, that means that we guessed the number right, and we're gonna want to say congrats or something. I don't know. Let's do that. So yeah, let's run this. Please enter a number between 1 and 5. Okay, it's not 1. Oh, there we go. It was 2. So if we ran that again, 2, nope, 1, nope, 3. So as you can see, it keeps asking for a guess until you get it right. And then once you get it right, it breaks out of this while loop and it prints out congrats. So yeah, this is a little complicated. It's kind of hard to explain. So I'm gonna make another tutorial on how to do another way of generating a random number, so you guys can pick which one's easier to you. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, and that's what I'll be doing. So see you guys.